You know, when you drink a bottom of the barrel light beer like Coors Light or Miller Lite, it has a beer taste. It has beer burps. It has beer turds. Welcome to First Taste Beer Reviews with J Bones, and continuing the victory tour with Sour Monkey. Victory Sour Monkey. Sour Brett Triple, 9.5% ABV. Let's get at it. Don't let that 9.5% scare you. Sour beers are probably my new favorite. Can't smell nothing. I guess my sniffer's gone out on me. Look at that. Oh, there it is. It's got a slight sour smell. Kind of smells more like beer than just sourness, which is good. Pretty much see-through. Like a light lemonade color. Looks yellow here. Looks like golden on the camera, I guess. Let's see what it tastes like. Wow. It does not taste like a 9.5% ABV beer. Normally, I attribute those to like stouts, dark, thick, malty, heavy beers. But this tastes like a light sour beer, which is, okay, dangerous because it is such a high ABV. Now, be cautious because it tastes good. It is sour, but I am impressed with these victory beers so far because they don't taste like beer. You know, when you drink a bottom of the barrel light beer like Coors Light or Miller Lite, it has a beer taste. It has beer burps. It has beer turds. It tastes like a beer, but these, I don't know how to describe them other than not tasting like a beer. The malts are Pilsner. The hops are Tenang. Tastefully tart is how our monkeys describe their sour sibling. Born from the same imported malts, Belgian yeast, and a mix of magical spices, this monkey decided to take a walk on the tangy side. With a swirling citrusy lemon bit and a delectable essence. You better pucker up and respect this monkey. Delectable essence. I like that. I'd go with that. Excuse me. Ooh, and a lemon bit. I do taste lemons in it now that they pointed that out to me. Not only does it kind of look like a light lemonade, it kind of tastes like one. And I better slow down. Otherwise this one will catch up with me. Sour Monkey by Victory. Go on and get some of that. If you like sour beers, this is the one for you. It's good. Thanks for watching First Taste Beer Reviews with J Bones. Goodbye.